guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing something that you know that I love to do, and that is eat international snacks. This is a series that is on my channel that I have been doing for a few years now. Today we are trying Latvian snacks and candy. So I did my research, did a little research on the blogs, on some blogs, and I found out some Latvian foods and candies that I could find at the local grocery store. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive in. As you can see, I've got some snacks and candy on my bed. So I'm ready to go. Okay, the first thing that I wanna get out of the way is this delicious looking thing. Kuki-Muki. Love the name. It looks like some kind of weird shaped pastry covered in caramel sauce. So it looks good, I will say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and try my first Latvian candy. Very, very ooey gooey and sticky. So here we go. Y'all, that is surprisingly bland. It tastes like stale bread covered in sugar, but it's still not sweet enough in my eyes. Not caramelly, but yeah, it tastes like stale bread. I'm so sad about it. It looks delicious. I mean, that looks delicious, okay? But it doesn't taste delicious. Sorry guys, it's a thumbs down for me. So next we are going to try these Oriental sweets with peanuts. I'm gonna try and pronounce this. It's going to go terribly wrong, I'm sure. But Zimmersriek stew sherbets. Oh my god. I am no linguist, that is for sure. All right, here we go. Open it up. They look pretty good. It looks like a shortbread covered in peanuts and it smells pretty good. It's soft. Yeah. These are delicious. They're very sweet. I think I can only eat one or two of these, but these are delicious. Nice and soft. Definitely peanut buttery. I've definitely had something like this before. It's sugary and peanutty, soft and delicious. Basically like a peanut shortbread. It's delicious. So thumbs up from me. And next, this is actually a candy bar that I found in the freezer section. And I know that it's a cheesecake, chocolate covered cheesecake flavored candy. There were so many different flavors, and I'm hoping that this is the original one, vanilla. So it's COLLABS. I believe that's the name, and it is from Latvia. So I'm gonna open this. Ooey gooey. I definitely smell the cheesecake. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is delicious. Oh my god, it's definitely cheesecakey. I love it. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up from me. This is so good. I might even repurchase this because it's so tiny that I don't feel bad eating the whole thing. These candy bars are all by a company, Laima, L-A-I-M-A. And I've got Serenade, Favorit, and Riga Black Balsam chocolate, which I'm gonna save for last because I do not think I'm gonna like it. And I think Favorite is an apricot chocolate, and I think Serenade is hazelnut, or I don't remember. I had notes on my phone, but I guess I'm gonna have to just take a bite and see. Nice dense chocolate bar. This one's the apricot. That is so nice. It does not taste fake flavored at all. Like, it tastes like legit candied. It tastes like a dried apricot that's in here. It's delicious. Thumbs up for this one. The Serenade. FYI, whenever I do these videos, I always skip lunch. And I have, so taking bites of all these little candies and snacks, I only take a few bites of them because I know that the calories can definitely add up, and your girl not only has chocolate on her lips, but is trying to lose a few pounds. So, salmon is for dinner after all these candies. Oh, I should probably introduce this. This is the favorite. Don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and forget what I said this one is, but we'll see. This is a hazelnut kind of truffle tasting. Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, it's hazelnut. This tastes like something I had before. It's super delicious. So far, I'm really, really loving these chocolates. These are delicious. They will not go to waste, that's for sure. All right. The last candy I'm going to try is by the same brand, Laima, and it's the Riga Black Balsam. Black Balsam is, I believe it's a liqueur that's here. It has a very distinct flavor, and not a lot of people like it, or not a lot of foreigners like it. Okay, me. I have not tried it, but I'm trying it in this chocolate form, so we'll see. All right, it seems like we got a crushed candy bar, but okay. This is what the inside kind of looks like chocolate, so we'll see. You know what? I'm not mad at it. This is, believe it or not, this is delicious. It's got a hint of alcohol flavor to it, like rum kind of flavor, but not too overpowering like the Hungarian candies that I had in the past. Those were really bad. But this is delicious. This is just a really good chocolate brand, Laima, and I think these cookies are by the same brand. I'm in love with that brand. Delicious, delicious. Okay, now we are moving on to snacks, and I got 2 Latvian brand chips, and this is dill, and this is tomato. So I'm gonna start with tomato. I've had ketchup flavored chips, and I actually do enjoy them, so wondering if it's gonna taste like that. Yeah, it smells like French fries dipped in ketchup. So here we go. Yep. Exactly what it tastes like. Thumbs up. We are doing so well on this taste test video. We are doing so well on this taste test video. Moving on, last but not least, dill chips. And they're ruffled. Here we go. So good. If you like dill, you'll like these. Delicious. Okay guys, that concludes American Tries Latvian Candies, Sweets, and Snacks. And I would say I have, what, 7 different kinds of candies and snacks. And I liked everything so much. Not only just like could stand it, I loved it. And I'll be happy to eat these again one day in the future. But I was very upset with this. Maybe there's another brand out there that I'll like, or if somebody's, you know, grandma or mom makes it better at home. I'm not gonna completely write this off, but I wasn't impressed by it. But overall, Latvian food is delicious, Latvian wine is delicious, and their candies and snacks that you can find at any grocery store are delicious. So if you like these kinds of videos, I was sure to link all my past candy and snack taste test videos from around the world up above, and I'll link them in the description bar as well. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any traveling, food, self-love, all that kind of jazz related content. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!